हेलो एवरीवन, आपका एक बार फिर सरल शिक्षा ऑनलाइन में स्वागत है। एंड हमने लास्ट टाइम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स पढ़े थे। हम अभी कुछ बेसिक एंगल्स पे इन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज की वैल्यूज को लर्न करेंगे। बिकॉज एग्जाम में आपको ये वैल्यूज गिवन नहीं होंगी, ये आपको ऑलरेडी लर्न होनी चाहिए। तो दीज आर एंगल्स, सम एंगल्स आर लाइक 0 डिग्री, 30, 45, 60 एंड 90। इन एंगल्स पे आपको आपकी 6 की 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज की वैल्यूज लर्न होनी चाहिए। सो दैट इज अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क, राइट? बट वी हैव मेड इट इजी। Like if you want to have sine theta value at 0 degree, that means if you want to have sine 0, that will be 0. And sine 90 will be 1. Just remember these two values, and after that sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So just remember this first line 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. And ये angles कैसे learn करेंगे? First angle is 0, last is 90, उसका half में आ जाएगा 45, and 45 से 15 कम 30, 45 से 15 ज़्यादा 60, correct? फर्स्ट इन दोनों के बीच में 30 डिग्री का डिफरेंस है और इन दोनों के बीच में 15 डिग्री। अगेन जस्ट लर्न दिस लाइन 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Cos theta will be just these numbers in the reverse order. So that will be 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. And tan theta हमको पता है, tan theta is the reciprocal of the 2, that is sin theta by cos theta. So tan theta is sin theta over cos theta. So 0 by 1 will be 0. This by this will be 1 over root 3. This by this 1. This is root 3 and this is infinity. Why infinity? This infinity is a symbol that basically defines a not defined number. Fine. So we know that any number by 0, if I say any number p by 0 is just equal to not defined, that is infinity, or we call it a very large number. Fine. Now when you have now learned about these ratios, the values for these ratios, sine, cos and tan, now that is easy for us to learn the value for cosec, sec and cot. In cosec theta, we know that cosec theta is nothing but the reciprocal of sine. So it will be having, if I write here cosec theta, so cosec theta will be 1 by 0 is पे infinity, is पे 2, is पे root 2, is पे 2 over root 3, and here 1 over 1 will be 1, right? Similarly, sec theta will be 1, 2 over root 3, root 2, 2 and infinity. And cot theta will be 1 over 0, that is infinity, root 3, 1, 1 over root 3 and 0. I hope these values are clear to everyone. Fine. After this, we can now start with some questions. Because trigonometry is very easy. Just you need to have some basic concepts and some values in your hand. That's it. So now, if I start with the question, say question number 1, and now I want you to calculate sine 30 cos 60 plus cos 30 sin 60. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनिशियली जब आपको वैल्यूज लर्न नहीं है तो साइड में एक रफ कॉलम बना लीजिए और वहां पे अपनी टेबल लिख लीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. फाइन. एटलीस्ट साइन, कॉस और टैन तो लिख ही सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट अबाउट साइन थीटा, कॉस थीटा एंड टैन थीटा. Draw the table. So you have 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So I have formed a rough column. And now I'll write the value 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Similarly, I'll write these two rows as well. Fine. Now this rough table will help me in the question. So now sin theta is from the table you can write half. Cos 60 is you can write from the table that it would be just equal to sin 30 and that would again be 1 by 2. Now cos 30 will be root 3 by 2 into sin 60. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. And you have got 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 will be equal to 1. That is your answer. So easy, right? Similarly, now if I ask you to calculate sin square 30 plus cos square 30. I'll ask you to do this thing. Now, you must wonder what is this 2 doing here? What is this square? Is the square is over sine only or the angle only? Please remember this sine 30 is a ratio. This is not the product of sine and 30. We haven't learned about it, right? जब हमने ये पढ़ा ही नहीं है तो ये होता भी नहीं है. Clear? दोनों का product नहीं है ये. This sine 30 basically gives you the value of P by H of a right angle triangle at 30 degree. Clear? So sine square 30 is definitely not equal to sine square and 30 degree square. No, it is the square of the ratio at 30 degree. So that means it is equals to sine 30 degree whole square plus cos 30 degree whole square. Correct? So now this will be sine 30 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Fine. And now this will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 and this is equals to 1. Is this clear to everyone? I hope this is clear. I'm making all the efforts to make this video very simple and these concepts very clear. Fine. So now with these concepts, I hope the 10th class will be able to solve exercise 1 and 2 both of their trigonometry classes. Fine. Also, if you have any problem with the trigonometry basics, you can just contact me at Saral Shiksha